5.
I will I, will you? Welcome to Scientific Station. I'm Brendan Crawwell. People participate in self-talk all through the day, every day. What researchers haven't known is what effect does self-talk have on motivating activity, and what effect does it have on behavior? There are two different forms of self-talk. There's declarative, such as, I will get up at 6 a.m., and there's interrogative, will I get up at 6 a.m.? So researchers, to see what effect self-talk has on behavior, looked at what effect each type of this way of talking to ourselves and motivating ourselves, what effect it has on our behavior. So they took subjects and had them run through a few different exercises, having first engaged in self-talk and seen what effect it had. The first part of the experiment, they had the subjects try to solve a series of anagrams where the letters are all mixed up, or you're given one word and try to find how to arrange those letters to spell another word. Half the subjects told themselves that they will solve the anagrams, and the other half asked themselves, will they solve the anagrams? Those who asked themselves the question, will they solve the anagrams, actually performed better on the exercises than those who declared that they're going to perform better on the exercises. In another portion of the experiment, people prior to conducting the testing to see what their performance was, and without being told why they were doing it, wrote on a piece of paper, will I, 20 times. And the other half of the group wrote on the piece of paper, I will, 20 times. Those who asked themselves, will I, and just writing it 20 times performed better and seemed to be more focused. So the researchers seem to think that our self-talk, when asking, will I, accesses a portion of our brains and our minds that cause us to focus better. When literally asking ourselves, will I, our brain wants to know, well, will I? As opposed to declaring, I will, our brains seem to process that as it's almost done. So what the researchers suggest is that when we're trying to motivate ourselves, we should ask ourselves in our self-talk, will I? Will I perform better on this? Will I actually accomplish what I'm trying to do? For more information, visit scientificstation.com.